Hi students, welcome to Easy Chemistry by Pradhan, and today we are going to discuss a very important concept in organic chemistry, that is side chain halogenation of alkyl benzene. So for competitive purpose and board level, very important concept, that is side chain halogenation of alkyl benzene. See here, first we are taking alkyl benzene. Alkyl benzene. So what is alkyl benzene? Benzene is substituted with an alkyl. This is mono substituted compound or benzene. Mono substituted benzene, that is alkyl benzene, or maybe methyl or ethyl, anything we can take. This alkyl benzene we are going to subject it to explain with respect to of side chain halogenation. So halogenation nothing but we are taking here halogen X. X may be chlorine, bromine, generally Cl2, Br2. So halogenation we are doing with alkyl benzene in the presence of sunlight. That we can depict with H nu, or we can subject it to heat at 383 Kelvin temperature. So mono substituted benzene is subjected to halogenation in the presence of sunlight or heat. How much heat we have to supply means nearly 383 Kelvin temperature. Clear? That we have to maintain. High temperature no need. Then what happened? What type of products you are getting? Let me discuss in detail up to JEE level. See here, alkyl benzene I am taking. Like benzene is substituted with methyl group, or benzene is substituted with ethyl group CH2 CH3, means this is methyl benzene, this is ethyl benzene. Methyl benzene we have another common name, toluene. This is ethyl benzene, and this is toluene. So any mono substituted benzene we are taking, that is alkyl benzene. When it is subjected to halogenation, halogenation nothing but addition of halogen. So when we are trying to add halogen atom, we have here methyl group with here hydrogen is there, here means all 6 corners we have. One corner is with methyl group, remaining 5 corners with hydrogen. When we subjected to add halogen atom, that is bromine, chlorine, whatever it may be, I am adding now chlorine in the presence of sunlight, or we can heat. Now, what type of reaction will take place? Side chain halogenation by free radical substitution. Product you are getting by free radical substitution. Free radical substitution. Product you are getting free radical substitution. Means these two chlorine atoms going to be break the bond homolytically. This is one free radical. This is one free radical you are getting. This free radical substitute this hydrogen or methyl group. We have now 3 hydrogens. Any one hydrogen means this free radical has the chance to substitute benzene bonded hydrogen or methyl group bonded hydrogen. So 2 chances we have to substitute. But here we are discussing side chain halogenation. Means this side chain we are calling. This only halogenation takes place. Why? Because look here. This is toluene we have. This is toluene. Here methyl group having 3 hydrogens. Remaining all corners also having hydrogens. Now this chlorine free radical has the chance to substitute any of these hydrogens. But here only side chain only substitution. Why? Because we have to discuss hybridization. Look here. If you are removing here hydrogen, what you are getting? Like this, you are getting CH2 free radical. Am I right? If this hydrogen is removed, then this is we are calling benzoylic free radical. What you are getting? Benzoylic free radical. When here hydrogen is removed, you are getting this. If this hydrogens, any one hydrogen you are removing, then like this free radical you are getting. Like this free radical. CH3 and here hydrogen, all corners having hydrogen. For example, this hydrogen I removed. Then I am getting here free radical. This carbon getting free radical. See here, 2 we got. One is benzoylic free radical. It is normal free radical with toluene free radical. Clear? Now chlorine has chance to attack. If you break this free radical, here it can attack or here it can attack. But we are discussing side chain halogenation. So why side chain only? Means benzoylic free radical is more stable. Benzoylic free radical is more stable, highly stable than this. This is less stable. Clear? Benzoylic free radical is more stable than this. Why? Means look here. If this chlorine free radical wants to attack here, this carbon, you see, one electron is there, free radical. Here double bond is there. Means electron density is more. when this free radical want to attack here, this electron, and here electron density is more, means repulsion will be takes place. Here already double bond and one free radical, electron density is more. So this chlorine free radical, when it is moving to here to attack, here repulsion will be takes place. But here this CH2 free radical, means methylene free radical, doesn't have double bond. It is sp3, it is sp2. So chlorine free radical easy to attack here. So it can moving to here easily, and it here coming to, but this way is not correct and this is the way correct. Because it is stable, it is unstable repulsion. That's why finally side chain only getting halogenation. So when toluene is subjected to halogenation in the presence of sunlight, you are getting benzyl chloride. One hydrogen from here will displaced by chlorine atom and you are getting benzyl chloride, and another chlorine react with this hydrogen, you are getting HCl. This is benzyl chloride. What you are getting? Benzyl chloride. So toluene converted to benzyl chloride by side chain halogenation. Why side chain only? Means due to free radical substitution, you are getting benzyl free radical that is more stable than the other. That's why it is always substitution or whatever it may be moving towards highly stable. That's why. So side chain only will takes place. Side chain halogenation will be takes place. If you pass further more chlorine, look here, this benzyl chloride, we got here benzyl chloride. If you pass further chlorine in the presence of sunlight, one more hydrogen atom is substituted, then you are getting CHCl2. One more hydrogen is going to be substituted, and this we are calling benzol dichloride. What we are calling? Benzol dichloride. This is benzol dichloride. So benzyl chloride converted to benzol dichloride. Clear? If you pass still some chlorine in the presence of sunlight, another hydrogen is there na? That hydrogen also substituted, and finally you are getting all three hydrogens are substituted, Cl, Cl. Three hydrogens are from methyl group substituted. Then finally you are getting benzo trichloride. One chlorine atom from toluene is one hydrogen is substituted by one chlorine atom, and HCl is the byproduct. In first stage you are getting benzyl chloride, further benzol dichloride, further benzo trichloride. All three hydrogens of this methyl group substituted by chlorine atoms, and three different products you are getting. So when you pass excess chlorine, if you are not passing excess chlorine, only benzyl chloride you are getting the product. This is side chain. Only side chain. Why? Means it is a free radical substitution reaction. In free radical substitution, we are getting more stable benzylic free radical. That's why chlorine free radical will attack on benzyl group only, not on benzene ring. Not on benzene ring. So what type of mechanism takes place here? Free radical. Free radical. And what reaction? Substitution. Free radical substitution reaction. Remember, side chain halogenation of alkyl benzene is a free radical substitution reaction. Free radical substitution reaction. Now I will go for with another example. Here I took methyl group now. Next I am taking another group with benzene ring. Look here. With one more example, I am going to explain free side chain halogenation of alkyl benzene. Alkyl benzene. This time I am taking benzene is substituted with ethyl group. What group? Ethyl group means CH2. So benzene is substituted with CH2, CH3 means ethyl group. This is we are calling ethyl benzene. What we are calling? Ethyl benzene. And this ethyl benzene I am subjected to halogenation in the presence of chlorine and sunlight. Means I am adding chlorine gas and in the presence of sunlight, or you can heat also, no problem. Then what type of products you are getting? Previously what did we did? All hydrogens of substitution we removed, but here two carbons are there. Here CH3 is there, here CH2, and benzene ring will not substituted. It is very clear. But which carbon hydrogens are substituted by this chlorine? That is the problem. Look here, free radical now. You are getting here two types of free radicals. One free radical is, look here, this is benzene. First I am removing hydrogen from here. Then I am getting CH2, one hydrogen gone, free radical. This is now 1 degree free radical. Am I right? 1 degree free radical. And another chance we have, see here, I am removing benzene, and previously I removed from here. This time I am removing here. Here already two hydrogens are there, one I removed. Then I am getting CH bond CH3 free radical. This is 1 degree. Now this carbon bonded with two carbons now. This is 2 degree free radical. As we learn, 2 degree free radical is more reactive than 1 degree. Is it clear? So 2 degree is stable. 2 degree is stable. That's why you are getting stable product with 2 degree. Two products you are getting, no doubt, but with 2 degree stable means this is major product, with this minor product you are getting. So when ethyl group you are taking, two products you are getting, one is major product, another is minor product. Now I am giving major and minor product. This is ethyl benzene in the presence of chlorine and sunlight. I got first 1 degree carboxyl free radical here. So CH2 Cl, one product, and another product I got benzene ring, CH, this is bond CH3, and here now chlorine is substituted. So two products I am getting. Two products. Clear? Now this is with 1 degree. This is with 2 degree. With 2 degree. What is the name of this product? And what is the name of this product? Clear? This product name is 1-chloro, 2-phenyl. Am I right? 2-chloro. From here we are getting 1-phenyl, 1-chloro, 1-phenyl, ethane. Am I right? 1-chloro, 1-phenyl, 1-chloro, 1-phenyl. These two carbons, ethane. Clear? This is the product we got. This is the major product. This is the major product. 1-chloro, 1-phenyl, ethane. Now you go for this compound. What you are getting compound? 1-chloro, 2-phenyl, ethane. What is the name? 1-chloro, 2-phenyl, ethane. This is the product. And this is minor product. So when ethane, that is ethyl group, is subjected to mono substituted of this benzene, you are getting two products. One is major product, another minor product. Where 2 degree free radical you are getting, that is major. Where 1 degree free radical you are getting, that is minor. So only methyl substituted one product you got. And if ethyl is substituted, then two products you are getting. Two products, major and minor. Now another question I am showing here. Here I am taking methyl benzene toluene, and this time I am taking here FeCl3 and bromine. Means halogenation with the presence of bromine. And what is the product you are getting? In the presence of sunlight, side chain halogenation takes place. But here sunlight not there. FeCl3, Lewis acid. So in the presence of Lewis acid, side chain halogenation will not take place. Benzene substitution will be, means ring substitution will be takes place. Remember, ring substitution will be takes place. Side chain halogenation will not takes place. So in the presence of sunlight only, side chain halogenation or heating also. But if you are taking Lewis acid, side chain halogenation will not take place. This methyl group acts as directing group. Then you are getting ortho-para product. And this is, you are getting here bromine at ortho position, and another product you are getting para product. So finally you got orthochlorotoluene, parachlorotoluene. This is bromotoluene. Orthobromotoluene. This is parabromotoluene. Means when toluene is subjected to halogenation in the presence of FeCl3 Lewis acid with halogen. Here side chain halogenation will not take place. Benzene ring will be substitution takes place. So you are getting two products, that is ortho and para bromotoluene. Clear? So methyl group is electron donating group, you learned already. This is a directing group. It will direct to attack upcoming attacking reagent at ortho and para position. Remember, methyl group is ortho para director. So that is the halogenation of methyl benzene. Mono substituted compounds you are getting, products you are getting. So in the presence of sunlight, side chain will be halogenation. In the presence of Lewis acids, AlCl3, FeCl3 like that, benzene will be substituted. Side chain will not substitute. So while in the examination, that is competitive, you have to observe that what type of condition they given. Sunlight given, directly you can substitute hydrogen atom with halogen. FeCl3, AlCl3 given, you should not substitute side chain. Benzene substitution has to take place. That is in detail about side chain halogenation of alkyl benzene. Look here, in the presence of sunlight, why side chain halogenation will be takes place means it is a free radical substitution. Then in the free radical substitution, we are getting benzoylic free radical which is highly stable than ring substitution. That's why chlorine, bromine, whatever it may be halogen we are taking, generally chlorine, bromine, the free radicals will attack at benzoylic position, that is sp3 position, not sp2. At sp2 we have electron density more. That's why this free radical will repel because of more electrons, electron density more. But here free radical is there but electron density not there. Here sp3. That's why it will attack. Then you are getting benzyl chloride. If you pass chlorine more, then benzyl chloride converted to benzol dichloride. Further it will give benzo trichloride. Benzo trichloride. That is with methyl substitution. If ethyl is substituted, ethyl benzene we took, then you are getting two positions, 1 degree position, 2 degree position. Means 2 degree free radical you are getting, 1 degree free radical you are getting. 2 degree is more stable na? That's why 2 degree free radical product is major product. 1 degree free radical product is minor product. In halogenation, instead of sunlight, if condition is changed in the presence of Lewis acid, then side chain halogenation will not take place. Benzene ring substitution will be takes place. Then you are getting ortho para products. Ortho para products because methyl group is ortho para director. Remember, methyl group is ortho para director. This is ortho para director. Means upcoming attacking group has to attack on benzene at ortho and para position. Then ortho para products you are getting, whether chlorine or bromine. So if you like this concept, please subscribe to my channel, suggest to your friends, and they will be benefitable. Thank you.